What's out there, huh?
Yeah. Those are puppies.
Puppies out there? Puppy, yeah.
Puppy. Oh.
Be careful.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Hmm.
She knows that door, that handle.
Mm-hmm.
That's what she's looking up at there. When we had her at the door a while ago, she kept reaching for it, and I got her over there, and she moved it a little bit, but she couldn't.
Hey, you. Cadence. What are you doing? Oh.
She's figured out how to get out of that wagon now.
Uh-huh.
First time or two she got in, she couldn't get out.
She did, but not as she did find. You had to help her a couple of times because her feet was all under. But she did
Well, hi.
get out, but she had to kind of crawl close to the floor. But
You're not going to be able to get through there.